How to pre-order Crumbl cookies for pickup. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pre-order Crumbl cookies for pickup. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for Crumbl cookies. And now here on the result page, simply click on the first link, and once you do that, you'll be prompted to the official website of Crumbl cookies. Now here simply click on login by clicking on the menu icon, and here in the pop-up menu you can see the sign in option. So here simply click on it, and after that you need to log in with your account. Now here once you have logged in, mainly enter your location or zip code, and after that simply select the Crumbl store that you'd like to pick up from. And here make sure to click on pick up so your order is ready to be collected in store. And now you can browse the weekly cookie menu and add your favorites to the cart. And here when you're ready, you can go to your cart and hit checkout, and under the pickup time you can choose the future date and time that you want to pick them up. And here once you're done with that, you can enter your payment info and click place order to finish, and you will get a confirmation email, and your cookie would be fresh and waiting for you. And that's it. That's how easy it is to pre-order Crumbl cookies for pickup right from your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.